भारत में डॉक्टरों की कमी है कि बहुत ज्यादा है?
Sir, I think the question is of distribution.
I asked you a simple question. I'm not interested in your justification. Do we have a shortage or we don't?
Sir, we have sorted.
Thank you very much. Why couldn't you say that in the beginning? Don't try to be politically correct with me.
Yes, sir.
This is a board. I am going to assess your ability to be honest.
Yes, sir.
Do you think you can be honest?
Yes, sir.
What is the oath you took? What is the Hippocratic oath?
Sir, to serve the best interest of my patients.
And you will tell them, first let me look at the constitution, then I'll do it. It's a question of distribution, it's a question of this, it's a question of that. How will you tackle it? Shall I enforce the Chinese law? Get out and serve 1 year in a village as a barefoot doctor? Shall I do that? Yes or no?
So we need certain kind of persuasion.
Shall I do it or shall I not do it?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, it might be counterproductive.
In what way?
So first, how to ensure that they reach, and 1 year term is a very short term. We can
5 years. गांव में जाके काम करो, डिग्री बाद में मिलेगी.
Sir.
करूं?
Sir, we should definitely move
मैं
toward
पूछ
it.
रहा हूं, करूं कि ना करूं?
Sir, we should enforce it if possible.
फिर वही बात है. If possible. I'm alive if possible.
Sir.
You came here if possible.
Sir.
मैं जिंदा हूं कि मर गया हूं?
Yes.
जिंदा हूं.
Yes, sir.
फिर if possible कहां से आता है? करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
Yes, sir. We should
आप
definitely.
लाइन पे आ गए हो ना? Why were you hedging? Why were you being overcautious? We have a shortage of doctors, so why do you want to leave the medical profession? And you've studied at one of the finest medical colleges in the world.
Yes.
Have you heard of King George's Medical College?
Yes, sir.
There's trouble going on there at the moment.
Yes, sir.
What's the trouble?
So the trouble is related to the sexual harassment case and forceful religious conversion.
So what should we do in terms of forceful religion? Christians बना रहे थे उनको कि मुस्लिम बना रहे थे?
Some Muslim.
तो क्या करूं? मार डालूं सबको जो conversion कर रहे थे?
No, sir.
Who was involved in that?
So one of the resident in Department of Pathology.
Was involved. So what should I do with him? Hang him?
So law needs to take it. We have laws.
What is the law?
So law is against forceful any
Therefore,
force.
what should I do?
Sir, if it is forceful, then law needs to take its due course.
But law needs to. How will law take its course? Shall I get the fellow, put him in jail, or shoot him straight?
No, sir. Shooting is not an option at all.
Why not?
So it goes our constitutional values and due process has to be
Oh,
followed.
come, due process and constitution. All right, doctor.
Yes, sir.